The power of small habits in investing. In the world of finance, we often hear big promises: make millions fast, or turn $100 into $10,000 overnight. But what if I told you that the true power lies not in big leaps, but in consistent, small steps? That's where the $5 a day investing strategy comes in. It's not flashy. It won't make you rich overnight. But over time, it has the potential to completely change your financial future. In this comprehensive video and article, I'm going to walk you through my 30-day journey trying out this method. We'll explore what the $5 day strategy is, how I set it up, what tools I used, what happened to my investments over the course of a month, and, most importantly, what I learned about money, habits, and mindset. Whether you're a total beginner or someone trying to build more consistency in your investing routine, this breakdown will give you the motivation and tools to get started with as little as $5 a day. What is the $5 a day investing strategy? The $5 a day investing strategy is as simple as it sounds. Instead of spending $5 on something disposable each day, like a coffee, a fast food meal, or an app subscription, you invest that money. The goal isn't to chase quick returns, but to leverage the power of compound interest and build a habit of regular investing. Why $5? Accessibility. Almost everyone can find $5 in their budget by cutting out a small daily expense. Consistency. It encourages daily engagement with your finances, building long-term awareness and discipline. Compounding. While $5 day is $150 month, over the course of 10 years, with an average annual return of 8%, that adds up to over $25,000. That's without increasing your contribution. Let's do some quick math. Daily, $5 monthly, $150 yearly, $1,825 10 years with 8% return, $27,600 small numbers. Big future. My personal financial goals for this challenge. Before starting any financial strategy, it's important to set clear goals. For this challenge, my objectives were: 1. Build a consistent habit of investing. 2. Test how easy or difficult it is to stick with a daily investing routine. 3. Track the emotional and psychological impact of consistent investing. 4. Analyze short-term performance, although I know long-term matters more. I also wanted to use this as a real-world example for my YouTube audience, to show that even small, consistent steps matter. Tools and platforms I use to make this process as smooth and automated as possible. I chose tools that are beginner-friendly and low-cost. Investing app. Acorns. Acorns is great for micro-investing. It lets you invest your spare change or set up recurring investments. I set it to invest $5 automatically each day into a diversified portfolio, mostly S/&P 500 index funds. Backup option. Fidelity or Vanguard. For those looking for zero fees and more control, Fidelity or Vanguard offer robust platforms to set up recurring transfers into mutual funds or ETFs. Budgeting app. YNAB. You need a budget. I tracked all my expenses and ensured that the $5 day investment didn't throw my budget off. Spreadsheet tracker. I also created a simple Google Sheet to log date, investment amount, portfolio balance, daily notes on emotions, market changes, etc. Setting up my $5 day investment. Here's how I got started. 1. Linked my bank account to Acorns. 2. Set a recurring daily transfer of $5. 3. Selected a moderate risk portfolio, 60% stocks, 40% bonds. 4. Created a daily reminder to log my progress. The setup took less than 10 minutes. Daily experience. Week by week. Week 1. Excitement and doubt. The first week was fun. I felt like I was doing something responsible. But I also had doubts. Is this even worth it? $5 feels like nothing. However, seeing the portfolio grow, even by a few cents, gave me a sense of progress. Week 2. Routine begins. By week 2, it became a habit. I checked the app during breakfast, logged the balance, and moved on. I also stopped thinking about that $5 as lost spending. It was now future wealth. Week 3. Market fluctuations. The market dipped. My portfolio dropped by about $6. I felt nervous. But it was a great lesson. Emotional control is a big part of investing. Week 4. Mindset shift. By the final week, I saw myself as an investor, not someone trying investing. The $5 day felt normal. My portfolio had small gains again, and I had built a solid habit. Results after 30 days. Total invested, $150 portfolio balance, $154.27, gain of $4.27 percentage return, 2.8% of course, short-term gains aren't the point. But the emotional and behavioral wins were huge. What I gained: a consistent habit, confidence in investing, understanding market fluctuations, a system I can now scale up. What I learned: 1. Small habits matter. The power of investing lies not in one-time big decisions but in daily, disciplined actions. 2. Automate to succeed. Automation removed the stress of remembering to invest. I just said it and forgot it. 3. Emotional intelligence is key. Watching your money rise and fall, even by a few dollars, teaches you emotional control, a vital investing skill. 4. Mindset shift. I now see every dollar as potential future income. Instead of consuming, I'm building. How you can start the $5 a day challenge. 1. Choose an investing app or brokerage. 2. Set a recurring daily transfer of $5, or weekly $35 if daily isn't available. 3. Choose a simple, diversified investment like an S/&P 500 ETF. 4. Track your progress in a journal or spreadsheet. 5. Review your emotional and financial results monthly. Tips: start with what you can afford. Focus on consistency, not returns. Don't try to time the market. Celebrate the habit, not the dollar amount. Scaling it over time. Once $5 day feels easy, increase it. Maybe go to $10 day, or add an extra $50 month into a separate investment. Also consider Roth IRA contributions, investing in sector-specific ETFs, exploring dividend-paying stocks. Let this be the beginning of your wealth-building journey, not the end. Trying the $5 day investing strategy for 30 days didn't change my life overnight. But it changed the way I think, feel, and act about money. And that's more powerful than any short-term gain. If you're someone who feels overwhelmed by investing or thinks you don't have enough money to start, I hope this inspires you. You don't need thousands. You just need $5 and the willingness to start. Are you up for the challenge? Like, comment, and subscribe to Cyclone Finance for more real-world money experiments. Let's grow together.